One of the perspectives while looking at the data would be to see if the targets are met. Basically whether total amount is greater than total sales. Creating a sheet over here called Met Budget with a question mark. It's a question we are posing to the data. Alright, there is spelling mistake, correcting it. Double click on state over here. Drag sales over size. We need to create a calculated field to check whether the target has been met or not. Click on any measures over here, let us select marketing. This is just used for creation, we would be changing the context later. Go over create calculated field. Change the name over here to Met Budget. Remove the tag marketing. Apply a traditional if condition. If sum of, observe the summation sign, sales. Close the bracket. Put the condition, is greater than or equal to, sum of budget sales. Now close the bracket. Make sure the names are selected basis the actual measures. Insert a then. Put the expected output in double quotes. We can put a else also. So we want the output as over budget if the condition is met and under budget if the condition is not satisfied. There would be error warning as the code isn't complete yet. Let's end over here and apply. The Met Budget would be visible as a calculated field. Drag it over size. This visualization depicts that all except one state are over budget. This can be visualized by color as well. Drop the Met Budget, calculated field on color, observe the difference. You can edit the colors if you want, we are leaving them unchanged. If we need these to be represented by shapes, we can change the automatic to shape over here first. Then drop Met Budget on shape. We can change the shape by clicking on shape pane. Select arrows. Then based on your choice select an icon. We are selecting this one for over budget. And this one for under budget. Press apply and OK. We are removing the color and size now. We can have different ways of showing the same story. Keep saving your work. The same can be done at a more granular level, say at area or zip code level. Create a new sheet. Name it as Sales and Budget per area code. Double-click on area code from Dimensions. Double-click on Met Budget. Change the shape as we did previously. Basic your preference. Drag met budget on shapes. This is how various perspectives on data might help you to chart out new strategies for product and market development.